Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Sri Suta Goswami said, while travelling on a pilgrimage, Vidhur received knowledge of the destination of the self from the great sage Maitreya, and then returned to Hastinapur. He became as well versed in the subject as he desired. Vidhur, one of the prominent figures in the history of the Mahabharata. He was conceived by Vyasdev in the womb of the maidservant of Ambika, mother of Maharaj Pandu. He is the incarnation of Yamaraj. Being cursed by Manduk Muni, he was to become a Shudra. The story is narrated as follows. Once upon a time, the state police caught some thieves who had concealed themselves in the hermitage of Manduk Muni. The police constables, as usual, arrested all the thieves and Manduk Muni along with them. The magistrate specifically punished the Muni to death by being pierced with a lance. When he was just to be pierced, the news reached the king, and he at once stopped the act on consideration of his being a great Muni. The king personally begged the Muni's pardon for the mistake of his men, and the saint at once went to Yamaraj, who prescribes the destiny of the living beings. Yamaraj, being questioned by the Muni, replied that the Muni in his childhood pierced an ant with a sharpened straw, and for that reason he was put into difficulty. The Muni thought it unwise on the part of Yamaraj that he was punished for his childish innocence, and thus the Muni cursed Yamaraj to become a Shudra. And this Shudra incarnation of Yamaraj was known as Vidhur, the Shudra brother of Dhritarashtra and Maharaj Pandu. But this Shudra son of the Kuru dynasty was equally treated by Bhishmadev, along with his other nephews, and in due course Vidhur was married with a girl who was also born in the womb of a Shudrani by a Brahmin. Although Vidura did not inherit the property of his father, the brother of Bhishmadev, still he was given sufficient state property by Dhritarashtra, the elder brother of Vidhur. Vidhur was very much attached to his elder brother, and all along he tried to guide him on the right path. During the fratricidal war of Kurukshet, Vidhur repeatedly implored his elder brother to do justice to the sons of Pandu, but Duryodhan did not like such interference by his uncle, and thus he practically insulted Vidhur. This resulted in Vidur's leaving home for pilgrimage and taking instructions from Maitreya.